Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you something I discovered through just playing around. You're going to need a brick wall or a sturdy wall, one that you don't mind putting your feet on. And the only reason you would do this would just be to explore what you can do and just to feel what happens in your body. So the benefit to this movement that I'm about to show you is that it's going to connect your core and you're going to feel strong if you can pull it off. If you can't pull it off, you'll be able to pull it off eventually. You gotta spend a little time practicing and playing with it. And I'm only showing you this because it was just so neat for me, because first time I ever tried it, I was like, oh my, there's something here. So what we're going to do is we're going to axis crawl, which is crawl in a circle. Like if there's a pole going through your belly button, but we're going to do it on the wall or with the wall. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, axis crawl is just crawling like this. And this axis crawl is a tremendous crawl to just, man, it's so good for your brain, your body, ties your body together, but it's also a way to crawl when you don't have a lot of space. But it also hits your muscles at different angles that you don't always hit them in. Anyway. If you haven't axis crawled, you can do yourself a good favor and axis crawl, and you'll become as strong as you want to be. But what if you did it with a wall? So I'll just shut up. Here we go. You kind of got to wedge yourself against the wall and use the wall. Anyway, this is just this stuff right here. How this feels. It's just pretty neat. And you can obviously switch directions. Now really, why would you want to do this? Because you can. And it helps your brain figure out how to move and movement strategies. But it also helps your body figure out how to contract and move under tension. And it's just neat. Very fun and cool to do at parties. You'll be the talk of the town. Anyway, axis crawling on a wall. It's kind of cool. And again, you're just going to feel a connection between your center, and that connection and that feeling, it feels like strength. And that's the best way to describe it. So I invite you to discover and explore and feel your strength by trying to axis crawl on the wall. And again, if you can't do this, that's okay. Start here, axis crawling, or just start here. And see if you can hang out here and maybe move cross crawl touches or lateral crawling on the wall. You can build your way up to the axis crawl. Anyway, guys, that's my tip for this week. And really the tip is explore how you can move and be creative and just try things. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.